Hi, it's Kid0126. I'm here with one of my friends, and yeah, he doesn't know I have a mic, so I'm keep talking. That's my other friend. She's in real life. She's not in Animal Jam, but yeah, yeah, I adopted him. Yeah, I adopted him and stuff. Yeah. So okay, so what do you want to do? Oh no 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 no. Oh no no. Wait. There, much better. I don't know. Okay. Oh, for a second. What? Why am I? Okay. Hmm. I know. Thank you. I'm talking to my friend that's right next to me. Um. That is my house. Cause I don't have enough money, Lola. What? I'm just recording. Please leave me alone. Oh my god. Only people. We're the only people. That's so retarded. That is very retarded. I don't want to take a pet. I already have a doggy. Um. So we are at the beach now. There's a panda. There's a what? Fine, I'll be nice. I'll be nice to him. I'll be nice. He's a panda. It's a panda. I don't. No, he doesn't. He's a panda. Pandas don't have cats. Nah, 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 nah. No, he doesn't. He lied. He lied. Uh. Okay. Okay, um, I know you do. Okay, so let's go. Who cares about Minecraft? This is my video, so don't talk about stupid Minecraft. Lola's talking about Minecraft, but I'm not even playing Minecraft. I'm playing Animal Jam. I know, cause I can. That's not my den. That's his den. My son's. A duh. A duh duh duh. It's not weird. It's not weird. But okay, whatever. Um, can we live it? We're going to be living there at this house. Okay. So, so. Oh God, what just happened? I glitched out. Is he still? What happened? Wait a second. Yeah. The cookie one, please. I'm back. I'm back. Hello, people. How you doing, people? I want to see if I have any friends on. Okay. Man. Okay. So there's a dinosaur right there. Dinosaur. Just kidding, it's a rhino. But do you be right back, guys. I gotta go eat something. Be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I ate. Come to Why do you want me to come to the diamond shop? No, no, no. Yeah, for nothing. Okay, let me tell him I'm back. Mm. Oh, I forgot the A. Wow, so many little figures. Okay. There's a wolf. Why does that have a unicorn? He has a unicorn. It's a unicorn. Your room mom is over here. There. God. We're back. Okay. Okay. All right. Sorry, I'm crowded here. Everybody's here. I'm gonna end my video here. Okay. Everybody's here. Okay. I'm gonna end it here. Okay, so I'm ending my vid here. So remember how I always end it with a giraffe. Can't touch it. No, 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 no. No, no. No, no. Can't touch it. Yeah. So that's how I'm gonna end my vid. Bye, I guess. Bye, jammers. Signing out. Bye.